The universe is a vast, mysterious place, filled with wonders we're only beginning to understand. From stars that defy imagination to galaxies billions of light years away, space is full of mind-blowing facts that will leave you in awe. Buckle up, because today we're diving into 10 facts about the universe that will challenge what you thought you knew about space. Number 10. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. Long before we had the technology to confirm it, the renowned astronomer, Carl Sagan, theorized that the number of stars in the universe surpassed the grains of sand on Earth. Considering the seemingly infinite number of sand grains on even a single beach, this idea might seem unbelievable. However, recent mathematical work at MIT has developed an equation supporting Sagan's theory. Based on current observations and extrapolations, it's highly probable that the universe contains billions upon billions of stars, likely exceeding the astonishing quantity of individual sand grains scattered across our planet. While the exact number of stars remains unknown and may forever be, the evidence strongly suggests Sagan's profound intuition was correct. Number 9. Every star has at least one planet orbiting it. The Kepler telescope detects planets by observing when objects pass in front of stars, much like Earth and other planets orbit our Sun. The data Kepler has gathered indicates that nearly every star it has observed has at least one orbiting planet. Considering the hundreds of billions of stars in the universe, the potential number of planets is staggering. Although most of these worlds are likely uninhabitable by known life, the sheer volume makes it statistically improbable that there aren't some out there capable of supporting life. Number 8. There are likely 40 billion Earth-sized planets. Considering the vast number of stars, each with orbiting planets, scientists estimate that the known universe may harbor up to 40 billion planets similar in size and conditions to Earth. These Earth-like planets orbit their stars within the habitable zone, often called the Goldilocks zone, where temperatures are just right for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Furthermore, Kepler astronomers estimate that 11 billion of these Earth-like planets orbit stars much like our own Sun. These staggering numbers strongly suggest that the probability of Earth being the only life-supporting planet in the universe is incredibly low, making it highly likely that we are not alone. Number 7. Possible lights have been discovered on another planet. Ceres, a dwarf planet residing in our solar system's asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, appears unremarkable, save for two mysterious bright spots detected within one of its craters. While the exact cause remains unconfirmed, numerous theories abound. Some scientists propose they are reflections from ice volcanoes, while others suggest they could be salt deposits. Intriguingly, the possibility of these distant lights, observed from 29,000 miles away, originating from something other than natural phenomena has also been raised. NASA has plans to investigate the crater up close to definitively identify the source of these enigmatic bright spots. Observing images of Ceres and the area in question, it's easy to see why the idea of extraterrestrial lights might spark the imagination. Number 6. The universe is larger than we realized. Everything we've discussed so far pertains solely to our own Milky Way galaxy. Astonishingly, scientists estimate around 40 billion potentially habitable Earth-like planets within it alone. However, current predictions suggest there could be as many as 200 billion galaxies in the entire universe. That's 199 billion more than our own, each potentially teeming with billions of stars and planets. This has led to the understanding that the universe is far more immense than previously imagined. So vast, in fact, that the current estimated odds of Earth being the sole planet harboring intelligent life are a staggering 1 in 6 sextillion, that's 6 followed by 21 zeros. These truly astronomical odds make it almost incomprehensible to grasp the sheer scale of the universe. Number 5. Black holes exist, and they're invisible. Despite being a staple of science fiction across various media and academic discussions, black holes have only recently transitioned from theory to confirmed reality. For a long time, these cosmic entities remained purely theoretical for physicists. This is because their defining characteristic, swallowing everything, even light renders them inherently invisible. However, scientists, including the esteemed Stephen Hawking, have developed methods to detect their presence and validate their existence. One key method involves observing gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime first predicted by Einstein, which are caused by the immense gravity of black holes. Another approach involves searching for activity at a black hole's event horizon, the point of no return. Ironically, the very nature that makes black holes undetectable to the naked eye might make their existence a bit easier for some to accept. Number 4. There is water on Mars. The long-standing questions of whether life exists, ever existed, or could exist on Mars took a significant step towards clarity in 2015. NASA announced the discovery of compelling image evidence indicating flowing water on the red planet. Actual liquid water has been observed coursing down Martian mountainsides during warmer periods, only to vanish as temperatures drop and the water freezes. This was a monumental finding, as water is a fundamental prerequisite for life. Its presence strongly suggests the possibility of past or even present simple life forms like algae or fungi on Mars, even if not intelligent life. This discovery has overturned the previously held belief of Mars as a completely barren and lifeless world. Number 3. There is a planet made of diamonds. Meet PSRJ 1719-1438b. A planet that's essentially a cosmic gem, because it's made almost entirely of diamond. This isn't just any carbon, it's crystalline carbon, the very same material found in Earth's precious diamonds. Scientists had long predicted the existence of all carbon or diamond planets, and this discovery confirms their theory. Located far beyond our solar system, the unique conditions in that region of space allowed the entire interior of PSRJ 1719-1438b to solidify, crystallize, and transform into a planet-sized diamond. The prevailing theory suggests this sparkling world began as a star that eventually cooled and condensed into a colossal chunk of carbon, much like a diamond, only on a planetary scale. Imagine the brilliance of such a sight. Number 2. There is lightning in space. Lightning and electrical storms aren't exclusive to Earth, they've been observed on Mars and Saturn. However, scientists have also detected lightning in the vast expanse of space itself, and it's on a scale almost unimaginable, up to 1 trillion times more powerful than Earth's lightning. First discovered near Galaxy 3C303, this colossal electrical discharge is believed to be generated by a black hole with an incredibly strong magnetic field capable of producing lightning in deep space. This discovery was groundbreaking, as the previous understanding didn't include the possibility of lightning or electricity existing outside of a planetary atmosphere. It serves as another reminder of the violent and potentially destructive nature of space and the universe. Number 1. First contact is predicted by 2040, but we'll never see it in person. Fueled by the discoveries of the Kepler telescope, many astronomers and scientists are now predicting that we could detect some form of intelligent alien life in the universe by 2040. While it might seem like science fiction, numerous reputable experts believe it's only a matter of time before we find evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth. However, physically reaching these potential extraterrestrial civilizations presents a monumental challenge. The sheer scale of the universe makes interstellar travel incredibly difficult. For instance, even reaching Alpha Centauri, our closest star system, would take 4.367 light-years. Given current technology, our space shuttle, not designed for deep space, would take approximately 165,000 years to get there. Even faster unmanned spacecraft like NASA's New Horizons would require around 78,000 years for the journey. These numbers illustrate the immense distances involved. Many scientists concur that our best hope might be establishing communication with intelligent extraterrestrial life on distant planets, perhaps a cosmic equivalent of making online connections. Want more space facts? Like and subscribe for weekly cosmic content.